Hello and good morning to all of you. This is Amit Kumar and today we are going to do making plans for the evening. How French people express themselves to going out. So let's start guys. Sophie, there is two characters, Sophie and Remy. They are discussing about going out and where to go. They will discuss here. Okay. Dis Remy, on va à l'exposition l'exposition d'Arnaud. Here, Sophie asking to Remy that what should I do for today and what will be our exhibition, and Remy replying, je préfère aller au restaurant. Here Remy replied him that je préfère aller au restaurant. It means I prefer to go to the restaurant. Sophie. Oui, j'ai lu une excellente critique du restaurant saison 1. Here Sophie replied to Remy that she know a good review hotel or restaurant. It names Saison 1. Okay. Remy. A Wheeler's A Wheeler chef gagné le prix du cordon bleu. Tu sais, A Wheeler chef gagné le prix du cordon bleu. Tu sais, Remy replied to Sophie that yes, he know that their chef win the win the cordon bleu. Cordon bleu is an competition of food in Paris. Okay, to say it means you know. On va un apéritif avant de sortir. On va un apéritif avant de sortir. Then Sophie asked to Remy that we should have an aperitif before to going out. Je propose tout son panier. Then Remy replied him that je propose to son panier. It means I propose champagne. In the next slide, we will discuss about the hard meanings of this paragraph. Here are sorry. Here are some vocabulary of this paragraph. L'exposition, it means exhibition. Prefer, it means to prefer. Critique, critique means to review. Learn, it means there. Cordon bleu, it means it is like a food competition in Paris. Okay. To say, you know. Aperitif, aperitif is known as a drink before meal. Okay. Sortie, it means to going out. In the next slide, there are few questions related to this paragraph and how to solve them. Okay. Here are some questions of paragraph. We will discuss about the question and answer. Okay. Est-ce que Rémi préfère aller aujourd'hui? It means where does Rémi prefer to go today? He prefer aller au restaurant. It means he prefer to go to the restaurant. Second one is that comment est la critique du restaurant saison 3? La critique est excellente. It means the review of restaurant is excellent. Qu'est-ce que Sophie propose avant de sortir? What does Sophie propose before to going out? Elle propose an aperitif before the sortir. She propose an aperitif. It means a drink before meal. We propose an aperitif avant de sortir. The next one is quel apéritif est-ce que Rémi propose? Which means what type of aperitif Rémi propose? Okay, he propose du champagne. It means he proposed champagne. And thanks a lot, guys. And there was a paragraph that they are discussing to going out, making plans for the evening like this. And I read some of hard meaning of this paragraph here, and some of the question of this paragraph, that how we make sentences in easy way in language. And thanks a lot, guys. If you really like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.